What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be making sort of a video to help you guys find stocks to trade this week. And because Monday today was Martin Luther King Jr. Day, the stock market wasn't open. So that's why I made this video today instead of yesterday, which I'm planning to start making videos every Sunday or Saturday to talk about the best stocks I see value in for this upcoming week. Alright, guys. So before we get into it, I just want to ask you if you guys enjoy my videos and like what I'm uploading. I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps more people discover my YouTube channel so that more people can gain value from what I'm teaching and just learn from what my mistakes and my successes are. Alright, guys, so let's get into it. So the first stock, I'm going to start with the lowest potential for profit stocks, the ones that have the least profit potential, and then I'm going to slowly scale up to the ones that have the highest profit potential. So that means the ones that you can make the most money on will be at the end of the video. So make sure you stay till the end. Alright, so starting off with the first stock, we have HTZ, Hertz, the company, HTZ. So what we see in the stock is in the last, I would say, half a year, a little more than half a year, it's been having this horizontal pattern where it hits the support at around 1360, 1350, somewhere around the 13 and a half area. And then it bounces up usually up to around $18 or $19. So that's a pretty hefty amount of profit. And since it's already like trending upwards and it's almost done with the cycle, it's more than halfway done with it, we can capitalize off a smaller gain, but it's also still a fantastic gain. The potential for profit for the stock is around, let's check, 12%. Around 12% if you buy it and hold it till around $19, and that's a pretty nice profit if you ask me. I would say 12% is really nice, and if you can make that every week, your portfolio is going to be growing like crazy. Alright, up to the next stock. So this one's going to be a little more profitable. MTEC, well, NTEC, ticker symbol NTEC. And I'm not sure if it's going to show well on this graph. But yeah, alright, it's good. So in the last, I don't know, I would say half a year, it's been having this uptrend pattern, where it usually hits the support. If you were to draw a line, I should do this on my computer. But you guys like the simplicity of Robinhood. But I might make some videos later. Whatever. So, if you were to draw a diagonal line going from, like, touching this point to touching this point and touching this point and almost where it is at right now, you can tell that right now it's almost at the spot where it usually bounces. But if it goes down to, like, at least $7.20, which would be pretty reasonable, or it could go even lower, and you were to hold it up to 1850 or 1850, something like that, then, which is completely safe, and like it's not hard to do this because it's completely possible to gain around still an 18%, no, what I say before, I'm sorry, a 14% profit margin on this stock. If you could just wait a little bit, it might be this week, but it might be next week, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be this week. It's going to hit the support, which I can assume is going to be around $7, $7.10, $7.20, somewhere around there. And if you bought it at there, where it usually starts trending up, you got to wait for the confirmation and hold it up until it hits around 1850, or it's probably going to even go higher, because as you can tell, each mountain it makes, it goes even higher than previously. But just safely saying till $8.50, you'd make a nice 14% profit. That's also fantastic. If you could do that in 1 week with one stock, that is amazing. Alright, so on to the next stock. This one has a much higher profit potential than the other ones. Ticker symbol XXIII, 22nd Century Group. And what you can see from this pattern is it's more of a like horizontal pattern that you can tell. Yeah, the candlesticks show a little bit better. So you can tell that in the last, I don't know, a little more than half a year, whenever it hits the support at around $2.15, right around here, $2.20, $2.10, $2.05, and right now it's at $2.19. Whenever it hits that point, it usually bounces up, as you can see. So that's basically the support level for that stock, and it usually bounces up to almost the exact same spot as previously. So that would be around here. It would be $2.90. Here would be around $2.90 as well, $2.90, and here was a little bit lower to $2.85. So if you were to capitalize off that by buying it in right now and holding it up till around this area, then you'd be making a nice 18% profit. 18% profit. Let that sink in on one stock for a swing trade. That's amazing. That's fantastic. If you can do that, I'm saying like before, your portfolio will be booming. All right, guys. So the last stock that I find that has the most potential for profit, but it may be a little bit of a longer time scale than these that you may have to hold it, is JDST. JDST, ticker symbol JDST. It's an ETF, it's a gold ETF, but it's inverse, so the inverse of gold. As you can see, previously, when it hit around the area of 44, 50, 46, all right, let's check that out. In this hole, it was like 45, 70, 46, 45, 46. Yeah, whenever it hit that spot, it usually bounced up a little bit, and then it fell back down, as you can see here, or it went a little bit higher. But this time, it surpassed this resistance at around $50. It went over the resistance of $50, and now it's trending up much higher. So either it's going to stop around the area of $58 or like $57. It may stop around there, so that would be like 11% profit. But what may end up happening, which is also just as likely, is that this stock may go up to around its previous highs at around $74 and maybe even $88. Don't count on getting like every cent out of it. So I think that if you were to get in right now and sell it around $74, then you'd be making around 40% profit. 40% profit on this stock. I'm not saying that it'll be quick, like within a week, but if you buy and hold for a few weeks, then it's for sure is possible. Like, yeah, like previously, this pattern, it takes, I would say it would be 1 to 4 or 5 weeks for this to go back up to its previous highs around here. But for it to hit the highs at around $58, it would be within like next week. So that's why I have it on today's list. Alright guys, if you guys found value in this video and you enjoyed it, again, I'd really appreciate a like on this video, and if you could subscribe, it really helps me out a lot. And if you could tell your friends about this channel, it'd be fantastic. Alright guys, and I hope I helped you out today by recommending you some stocks. These are by no means anything that I'm telling you you have to trade. They're just my opinions on stocks that I would personally trade next week because they follow my criteria for good stocks to trade. And that's all. If you enjoy the video, thank you for watching and have a nice day.